How are you everyone? Hope you all are doing good. So here I am again with your Brain Gym booklet. I'm Yani's teacher and we have done our first activity sheet, our second activity sheet. Let us go for our third activity sheet. And our third activity sheet is very interesting. Don't think that it is a math. It is a game. Yes, students. Today we are going to play a game. Number game with dice. Dice, you know what? This one, which we uses in Ludo and Snake Ladder, na? This is called as dice. Do you people have dice? आपके पास dice है घर पर? अगर नहीं है तो purchase it. It's very fun to play this game. You can play this game with your brothers and sisters or friends as well. इस गेम को ना हम जल्दी से स्टार्ट करेंगे. सी हाउ टू प्ले. अब ये गेम खेलने कैसी है? रोल द डाइस. We have to roll these two dice. Roll means what do you do with the Ludo ना? ऐसे रोल करके डालते हैं. Same like that we have to roll the dice. Add the numbers. When we roll the dice, जब हम dice को roll कर dice डालेंगे, जो भी नंबर आएगा उसे हमें प्लस करना है. Like I got 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 equal to yes 3. Now look for that is equal to the sum that you got on adding and color it with the color of your choice. तो इसका मतलब ये है. उसके बाद हमें कुछ कलर पेन्स ले लेना है, crayons और color pencils और sketches, whatever you have and what is available with you. आपके पास जो भी है आप उसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Like I have my favorite crayons and it is too colorful. अभी मुझे नंबर क्या आया था? इट इज़ 3. जो नंबर आया था वो 3 है. आई टेक माई फेवरेट कलर एंड माई फेवरेट कलर इज़ रेड. सो लेट अस चेक इन द फर्स्ट रो. पहले हम फर्स्ट रो में चेक करेंगे कि 3 है या नहीं है. येस इट इज़ देयर. हियर इज़ द 3 एंड आई एम कलरिंग इट एंड कलर इट वेरी ब्यूटिफुली. हाँ, उसको बहुत अच्छे से कलर करिए. ये कलर ना ये सर्कल से बाहर नहीं जाने चाहिए. आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी खेल सकते हैं, भाई बहन के साथ भी खेल सकते हैं, मम्मी पापा के साथ भी खेल सकते हैं. इट इज़ फन टू प्ले. नाउ अगेन आई एम रोलिंग दिस डाइस. हियर नो वन इज़ विथ मी टू प्ले ना, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम प्लेइंग अलोन. यहाँ पर मेरे साथ खेलने के लिए कोई भी नहीं है. लेट अस डाइस इट अगेन. 3 and 1 इक्वल टू यस दैट्स राइट इट्स 4. लेट अस चेक इन द फर्स्ट रो. फर्स्ट रो में तो 4 है ही नहीं. हाँ, सेकेंड रो में फर्स्ट लेटर है 4. I'll take another different color and I'll just do this. Wow, it is looking too nice. Again, I got my turn. You can play in turns. आप एक के बाद एक खेल सकते. Like first you have to dice, then again your sister or brother. 4 and 5. 4 and 5 equal to yes 9. So let me check where is 9 in this. In the first row I got my 9. मैं ये बहुत जल्दी कर रही हूँ just to make the not to make you bored with the video. लेकिन आप लोग आराम से खेलिए अपने फ्रेंड्स और भाई बहन के साथ या मम्मी पापा के साथ. Again I am rolling it. It's 2 and 1 again means 3. Firstly in the first row we have done 3. तो पहले जब आया था उसी पर दोबारा नहीं कर सकते. We have to search for another 3. दूसरे वाले 3 को ढूंढना है. सेकेंड रो में 3 नहीं है, थर्ड रो में 3. हाँ, we got it. Wow, it is fun to play. अगर मेरे साथ कोई होते खेलने के लिए तो और भी मज़ा आ जाता. Again I am rolling it. Now I got 6. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. Again I got a 9 but I could not do coloring on this. I have to search for another 9. Yes, I am lucky to find the 9 in the second row itself. Ta-da, it's done. Let's go for another one. Rolling the dice. Arey wow, I've got lucky the second time. 6 and 2 equal to, tell fast, 6 and 2 equal to, yes, it's 8. See how beautifully I am using different colors for different numbers because I wanted my sheet to look beautiful. when I will show it to you now, after finishing it will be very beautiful. Again I have got my turn. Wow, see, I got double lucky. 6 and 6. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Oh, this color is not visible. Let me take another one. It's nice to play this game, and it will be more interesting if you play with your sister or brother or anyone with companion, isn't it? 3 and 6. Again it is 9. Wow, today is my lucky day it seems. मुझे तो बार बार 9 मिल रहा है. फर्स्ट रो में 9, it's done. सेकेंड रो में 9, it's done. थर्ड रो 9 9 9. I got फोर्थ लाइन. थर्ड रो में तो लाइन है ही नहीं, but I got it on fourth. Now let us roll it again. It's 3 and 1. It's 4. 4 4 4 4 4. Let me check 4. Yes, here is the 4. If you have color pencils or crayons, it will look more beautiful. अगर आप स्केचेस यूज़ करोगे ना तो स्केचेस पूरे पीछे के पेज पर लग जाएंगे and it won't look good. So better to use crayons and color pencils. 2 and 1 equal to 3. 3 in the first row we have done. In the third row also we have done. In the fourth row it is not there. In the fifth row it is here. Coloring is my favorite game, and this game make it more beautiful to play. Again 6 and 2 equal to 8. 8 in the first row, no. 8 in the second row, no. 8 in the third row I got. 8 8 8. Now in the next line, next time 2 1 and 4. 1 and 4 equal to 5. Where is 5? Where is 5? Here is the 5. I did it. Next one. 5 and 5. 10. I am doing very fast, kids, but you people play slowly and do the coloring slowly, because I don't have too much time now. That's why I am doing it very fast. But you take your time and do it, and it is fun to play, isn't? 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. अरे आज कितनी बार 9 आ रहा है? यहाँ 9 नहीं, ओहो, जितनी बार 9 आ रहा है उतनी बार 9 लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पर. तो इसका मतलब है कि हमें सर्च करते हुए करना है ये तो. Now again it is 3 plus 4 equal to 7. In the first row itself I found my 7. 7, number 7 is CVN 7. Again we are playing the dice. Oh, is 6 and 1. 6 and 1 equal to 7. Arey, again 7. Here is the 7. Now the next one, we have to roll the dice again. 5 and 3 equal to 5 और 3 कितने होते हैं? Yes, you are right. It is equal to 8. फर्स्ट रो में नहीं है, सेकेंड रो में भी नहीं है, थर्ड रो में हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं, बट वन मोर वी हैव, सो वी आर कलरिंग इट. ओके, होप यू पीपल आर एंजॉइंग. आपको देखकर इतना एंजॉय नहीं हो रहा होगा, बट आई एम डूइंग ना, आई एम एंजॉइंग माई सेल्फ. 4 and 2. 4 and 2 equal to 6. The first row itself, it is 6. 5 and 2. 5 and 2 equal to 7. In this first row it is not there because already we have done. Second row it is not there. Third also row, in third row में भी हम कर लिए थे. फोर्थ रो में भी नहीं है. फिफ्थ रो में है यहाँ पर. Now I am enjoying doing the coloring. After so many days I am doing the coloring. 4 and 3. 4 and 3 equal to, again it is 7. So we have the the last 7 in the last row. Now again I am rolling the dice, and 6 and 2. 6 and 2 equal to, yes, it's 8. In the first row it is not there, second row it is not there, third row it is not there, fourth row also, and fifth row in the corner I got it again. Finally I got it. And my activity is going to be finished as well. While you people will do this now, you will have fun with it. 6 plus 2. It's again 8. Oh, we are done with 8. So we can roll the dice again. 3 and 1. 3 and 1 equal to 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Where is the 4? Where is the 4? Here is the 4. I got it. Next one. Fall down. 6 plus 2. No, we are done with 8. 4 plus 3. 7. We are done with this. Then 5 plus 5. 10. It is here. Now this is also done. 5 plus 1. 6. Can you see any 6 over here? Yes, it is here. I got it. But my activity is going to finish soon and I am not getting the numbers. 3 plus 3. 6 again. Can you see one more 6 over here? Oh yes, it is here. In the first, second, third, fourth row it is not there, but in the fifth row I got my 6 again. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 5, 5, 5 here. Oh, my line is also completed. My line is completed. You can make this rule as well. कि आप जब अपने बहन भाई के साथ खेल रहे हैं ना, तो ये भी रूल आप बना सकते हैं कि लाइन कंप्लीट हो गई तो वो वाले फर्स्ट है. 6 and 4. 6 and 4 क्या हो गया? 10 again. Oh, I'm lucky to find out 10 again. Only few numbers are left, but I was enjoying it. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6. 12. 12, 12, 12, 12. The last. Now the next one. 6 and 6. I was lucky to got one more 12. It is in the fourth row in the corner. I got my 12. I'll send you this pic after doing this in the WhatsApp, and you can check out how beautiful it is looking. Again I am rolling my dice. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Where is 3? Where is 3? 3, 3, 3. Oh, it is in the last. I'm doing it very fast, but you people can do it very slowly with your friend when you're playing now. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. 9, 9. Where I could find my 9, 9? Oh, I am done with 9. Can you check where is the 9? Where is the 9? Where is the 9? Yes, it is here. I have done the two colors, but it's no okay. It's looking nice. They are friends, it seems. That's why they are in same color. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Can you see one more 7? One more 7? No, I'm done with 7. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Yes, here it is. plus 4 equal to 6. 6. Where can I find the 6 over here? Three. Oh, sorry, not 3. It's 6 and 1. 6 and 1 equal to 7. But I don't have any 7 left now. So I can roll the dice again. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 equal to, yes, is equals to 10. But I could not find my 10 in the 10. Oh. See, yeah. I'm running out of numbers. Only few numbers are left. 4 plus 2. No, I don't have it. 6 plus 3 equal to 9. I don't have this one as well. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Oh God, I'm not getting the numbers now. So I'm doing the coloring randomly. So kids, here our activity sheet is completed. So now it is your turn to do it. Now I know that it is not looking that too good, but you will do this. Take your dice, be ready with your colors and do it by yourself and send the pic in the WhatsApp group. Till then, bye-bye.